Today we're going to go over how to connect your Osone Pro Chiller to your Osone Cold Plunge. To start, we're going to take a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter. You're going to wrap plumber's tape on both ends and you're going to twist it in place on both the top and the bottom of your cold plunge. Behind that, you're going to twist this shutoff valve. You'll notice that there's plumber's tape on this. You only need the plumber's tape on the bottom of your cold plunge. You do not need it on the top because the hose connections don't require plumber's tape into the shutoff valves or your chiller. Next, you're going to connect the hose. So the hose on the top will run to the right side of your chiller. The hose on the bottom will run to the left side of your chiller. The only difference with assembly on the top and the bottom is after the shutoff valve, you're going to add this 40 mesh filter. You're going to fill this up with water, which you can do on either opening, or you can take this clear housing off and fill it up. You're going to make sure the arrow is pointed to the right, which is away from your cold plunge and into your chiller. This is the way the water is going to flow, and you're going to twist it in place. Behind this, you're going to attach this adapter, which will go into your 40 mesh filter with the non-plumber's tape side going into your hose. This concludes the assembly of your Pro Chiller to your cold plunge. And now we're going to go ahead and turn on the chiller. So when you turn on the chiller, you should immediately hear water flow into your cold plunge. If you don't see or hear the water flow, make sure that both the shutoff valves are open. This is the open position, 90 degrees is the closed position. Make sure there's water in your 40 mesh filter. Make sure there's water inside your 15 micron filter. And if it still doesn't flow, you'll open up your housing for your 15 micron filter and you'll bleed it, meaning you're gonna twist it open, you're gonna let the air out, it'll be replaced with water, you'll hear the water surge through the hoses, you'll tighten it after that, and the water flow should resume. If you have any questions, let us know.